Kisaten tea shop. I drink tea at the tea shop. Kisaten de o cha o namimasu. Panya bakery. I buy bread at the bakery. Panya de pan o kaimasu. Keki ya cake shop. I buy cake at the cake shop. Keki ya de keki o kaimasu. Yao ya greengrocer. I buy vegetables at the greengrocer. Yao ya de yasai o kaimasu. Sakanaya fish shop. I buy fish at the fish shop. Sakanaya de sakana o kaimasu. Nikuya butcher. I buy meat at the butcher. Nikuya de niku o kaimasu. Inshokoten eatery. I eat at the eatery. Inshokoten de tabemasu. Shokudu cafeteria. I eat lunch at the cafeteria. Shokudu de hirogohan o tabemasu. Yatai food stall. I eat snacks at the food stall. Yatai de okashi o tabemasu. Jidu hanbaiki vending machine. I buy drinks at the vending machine. Jidu hanbaiki de nomimono o kaimasu. Xiaotengai shopping street. I walk along the shopping street. Xiaotengai o arukimasu. Jimoto no Mise local store. I support the local store. Jimoto no Mise o Shije Shimasu. Shiya Kusho City Hall. I go to City Hall. Shiya Kusho ni Ikimasu. Yubin Kyoku Post Office. I send a letter at the post office. Yubin Kyoku de Tegami o Okorimasu. Ginku Bank. I withdraw money at the bank. Ginku de Okane o Hikida Shimasu. ATM ATM ATM. I take out money at the ATM. ATM de Okane o Hikidashimasu. Ryukinju toll gate. I pay at the toll gate. Ryukinju de Harimasu. Ichiba market. I shop at the market. Ichiba de Kaimono o Shimasu. Furima Keto flea market. I buy used items at the flea market. Furima Keto flea market. I buy used items at the flea market. Furima Keto de Furimono o Kaimasu. Omiyageya souvenir shop. I buy souvenirs at the souvenir shop. Omiyagi ya de omiyagi o kemasu.